What if I told you Huawei is working on a brand new operating system that could replace Windows and Mac laptops? Yes, HarmonyOS isn't just for phones anymore. In today's video, we'll explore the truth about HarmonyOS for PC, what it is, where it stands in 2025, and whether you can install it on your own laptop today. So today we're diving deep into a question everyone's asking: is HarmonyOS Next the real Windows and Mac killer, or just hype? Before we start, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. Let's start at the beginning. Back in 2019, when Huawei got hit with the US trade ban, the company had a huge problem. It could no longer rely on Google or eventually Microsoft. That's when HarmonyOS was born. Initially, it was designed for smart devices like phones, smart TVs, and wearables. But here's where it gets interesting. In 2023, Huawei unveiled something big: HarmonyOS Next, a brand new version built completely from scratch. HarmonyOS Next feels like a hybrid. It combines the flexibility and openness of Windows with the sleek integrated ecosystem of macOS. It's like Huawei took the best of both worlds, the customizability of Windows and the smooth hardware and software synergy of Apple, and built something entirely their own. Huawei started using HarmonyOS Next on its MateBook series laptops. And yes, these are real computers that don't run Windows. Inside China, a select group of users and developers have been given access to early builds. According to early reports from China, HarmonyOS Next has already been tested on Huawei's MateBook laptops, and the results are impressive. Chinese testers reveal that HarmonyOS Next uses up to 1 GB less RAM, booted 40% faster than Windows 11 on identical hardware, and maintained better thermal performance over long usage, making it incredibly efficient for multitasking. In fact, some insiders are calling it the most lightweight OS China has ever produced. Huawei is already working with over 4,000 developers in China to build native apps for HarmonyOS Next, apps that are faster, lighter, and perfectly tuned to the new architecture. Unlike Android apps running on emulators, HarmonyOS Next apps are built natively using Huawei's language, meaning better performance and tighter integration. Huawei isn't just trying to build an operating system, they're building an ecosystem, one that's not reliant on Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Now for the question you've been waiting for: can you download and install HarmonyOS Next on your own laptop or PC? Short answer: no, not yet. There is no public ISO. It's not open source, and it's limited to Huawei hardware in China. So if you were hoping to dual boot it like Linux or test it in VirtualBox, sadly you'll have to wait. So what do you think? Could HarmonyOS Next become a real competitor to Windows or macOS? Would you try it on your own laptop if it were available? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. And hey, if you enjoyed this video and want more, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this with someone who's still stuck on Windows Vista.